Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to download World of Tanks on PC. So with that being said, let's just dive into the process and see how to. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my browser of my choice, which is Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to be heading over to the search bar and typing in here steam.com, which will be leading us to this particular platform designed for games. Now the games that are uploaded here are 100% original and uploaded by the original developers, so make sure that you are not opened up with some wrong type of website. So here on the top right side of our screen, you can see that we have this search bar. So click on that, enter in here the name of the game, which is World of Tanks in our case, and here you can see we have World of Tanks available. So if you want to get World of Tanks or even the Blitz version, we have both of them available. We also have the soundtrack and some other options as well. So click on World of Tanks, and once you do, you will be able to see that we have World of Tanks video going on, and this is the game that we need. So you can just go through the video and screenshots for yourself, and once you're happy, you can scroll a little bit down. And by the way, the game is completely free to play, so why not to download it from the authentic dealer instead of downloading somewhere else. So make sure you do not download any virus and stuff like that. So click on play game, and it will be eventually added onto your library of Steam, from where you can download it and have a lot of friends with your have a lot of fun with your friends and family. So yeah, that's the process, and make sure to suggest us and let us know that what you want to see upcoming next onto the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.